1. What are super prompts in the context of AI, and how are they being used in the Army? Super prompts are layered, iterative procedural queries used to guide an AI toward a specific output. They involve asking the AI a question, the AI asking refining questions, and this iterative process continuing until a useful result is achieved. These prompts are being used in the Army by porting them into shared workspaces where students, faculty, and other Army personnel can access them. This allows the Army to use AI tools securely on an Army network and accelerates the movement of personnel using optimized prompts. 2. How is AI being used to write articles and books? AI is used in a multi-step process to write articles and books. First, a large language model is used to generate a series of one-line sentences containing insightful ideas about a complex topic, along with SEO keywords for each. These sentences are then used as prompts for a bulk article writer, which researches the web, including Google Scholar and Amazon Trends, to rewrite the article. The AI is also used to generate an outline, which the bulk writer also references. This process can generate numerous 3,000-word articles quickly. Finally, all of this information can be placed in a RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation System, which acts as a local expert knowledge base to ensure high-quality, non-hallucinating responses. 3. What is a RAG in the context of AI, and why is it important? RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It is a local expert knowledge base that helps ensure a higher quality response from an AI by reducing hallucinations. Essentially, instead of relying solely on the AI's training data, a RAG system uses pre-indexed relevant information to produce its responses, ensuring responses are based on facts and are more tailored to specific contexts. In this case, a RAG is being created from executive summaries of influential books, allowing for questions to be answered with the breadth and depth of accumulated knowledge.